The Single Arm Dumbbell Row. The main muscles used are the back and biceps. To perform this exercise correctly, begin by standing in a split stance with the opposite leg forward of whatever side you're working. Support yourself with your free hand on a bench or rack. Begin by pulling your shoulder back and down away from your ears. With your arms stretched straight, pull your elbow back and squeeze your lats, keeping your elbow tight to the side and maintaining a neutral spine the entire time. With control, lower the dumbbell back down until your arm is straight again and you have a good stretch throughout your lat. Avoid pulling up with your bicep. Avoid using momentum. Avoid rounding your back or arching your back and looking up.